everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Desrin. Most people call me Des. Feel free to call me whichever. In this video, I'm going to show you how to retwist your locks without palm rolling. So first, I'm going to be showing you guys how I wash my hair. First of all, this hang time though. Oh, nobody was telling me nothing. I was feeling myself. Y'all know if you have locks or if you're starting your locks, the shrinkage is too real. So I was feeling myself, but I'm going to be going in with my Neutrogena Anti-Residue shampoo. I love this stuff. It smells like a baby. And I always do half of my hair. That's just been my thing when I wash my hair now. I do one half at a time. As you can see, not many bubbles are forming, which is completely normal, especially for this shampoo. The second wash is when you start to notice a lot of the bubbles starting to form. I like to make sure that my hair is rinsed very thoroughly. Even shampoo can be a cause of product buildup or could just add to it, and nobody wants that. So I like to make sure that my hair is thoroughly rinsed, and I'm going to be going in with my moisturizing shampoo by the Main Choice. This stuff also smells really good and instantly makes my hair soft, which is another reason why I don't use conditioner or anything like that, because it's just unnecessary for me. And conditioner also just sits in your hair, in your locks, and causes mold and buildup and stinkiness, and it's just not cute. I just want to hurry up because I've been waiting for this retwist. Yes, time has gone by very fast, but I've just been waiting and I really want to do this. So as far as the update, because I did not make a video of a 3-month update, honestly, not much has changed. Like budding, yes. I don't know what this one's doing. A lot of them have like that in and out kind of look to it. I'll show y'all what I mean, because that can be confusing for some if you've never started with 2-strand twists, because with comb coils, I've never really experienced this in and out button that I got. I call it that because that's just what it looks like to me. This is a good one. So it's like going inwards and outwards as far as the budding is coming out, you know, so it's just like a little like landscape or something. I'm using what I normally use. I got my rose water in here. I don't think there's any oil in this one, so it's just straight rose water. And I have my Lily of the Desert Aloe Vera jelly, and then I have my shea nut oil, vitamin E oil, and jojoba oil mixture. So that's fun. Let's get started because I don't want this to take me forever. Oh, what I didn't want to do this video was palm roll. I'm literally just gonna just wrap it around my finger to retwist. So for those that aren't comfortable with palm rolling, or you're starting your retwist, or you're starting to do your retwist on your own, this is a much easier way to do it, is what you'll see. So that's what I'm gonna do. So I'm gonna try to keep it in my head to not palm roll, because knowing me, I'm gonna just be hypnotized and just palm roll. So yeah. First, I like to spray my hair with the rose water, and then I apply my oil directly to my scalp, and then I'll use the gel only on my new growth to retwist my hair. As you guys can see, I'm just wrapping the hair around my finger. The next lock that I do slow it down so you guys can actually see. It's a really easy, simple step to do. Anyone can do it. It makes it very easy to do your own retwist, which is why I wanted to make this video, so you guys can see here that I slowed it down for you guys, which I also do throughout the video. So if it gets confusing or you still just don't know what you're doing, you will see it many times. Always go in a clockwise direction, unless you started your locks going counterclockwise and that's how you've already been maintaining them. It's much different. Continue doing that, But if you started clockwise, continue going clockwise and keep it that way for the rest of your head. I really like this method because I noticed that my locks looked a lot more sleek, if that makes sense. If you've seen any of my other videos, when I palm roll, sometimes I palm roll a little bit too much, which can cause bunching at your roots. But this, I really didn't notice that happening with this method, which I really liked. And to me, it was a lot faster. It's less confusing because when palm rolling, it can get kind of weird to position your hands and go the correct direction, but with this it's very easy, so I really do like this method a lot. Once I finished, I did let my hair air dry for a little bit. Honestly, I kept going back and forth between letting it air dry and actually using the blow dryer, but this is what it looked like when it was fully dry. I do show a little bit of a before and after because my hair was looking rough, and I've noticed that my hair is starting to get a lot more fluffier. a lot more frizzier, and honestly I love it. This has probably been my favorite retwist. Even on the first day I was in love with it, so super happy. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time.